Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's me, JT. This time I'm coming to you guys giving you a room tour. I recently went to Los Cabos, Mexico, and I chose to stay in a RIU Santa Fe for many different reasons, but I hope the room tour gives you a reason to stay. Now, they do not have elevators, well, at least at the front of the property. They do not have elevators. The only part of the resort that has elevators is towards the back at the beach. The rooms with the beachfront views and kind of near a RIU party is like one or two buildings that has elevators, but all the other ones have stairs. I got a garden room, of course, because the garden rooms are more affordable than the other RIU party rooms and the beachfront rooms. So I think I got lucky, especially being on the first floor, because when I got there was no king beds available for me to be on the first floor, and all I had was a carry-on, but I was like, I'm not walking down the stairs. So she's like, I can give you a room on the first floor, but it has 2 beds. I said, you know what? Let's roll with the punches. So I had room 1002, 2 beds, garden view. Let's check it out. Of course, comment below and let me know if you have any other questions or concerns. And make sure you come back to see the full property tour. I'm going to give you the property tour from the beginning to the end.